So here we are at the Statue of Liberty in New York City, New York, on Liberty Island. The Statue of Liberty is made from copper and its color is green. The French gave the statue to the Americans for friendship and freedom. The statue is holding a torch and a book. Also, did you know that the statue is 300 feet? Wow, that is a big statue. And the French raised funds to donate the statue to give it to the Americans. You can see she is wearing a robe just like a Greek god would wear. Also, did you know that she is so big, her nose is 4.5 feet long? Well, that's a big nose. Let's go to the next destination. So here we are at the Liberty Bell. The Liberty Bell is a bell with a crack on its side. It is also a big bell. It was built from England and they hanged it on 1753. It lives in the Independence Museum, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. The bell is also a symbol of freedom and independence. Also, did you know that the Liberty Bell was on a train to go to Pennsylvania? I was surprised when I heard that. Also, they never rang the bell anymore in 1884. Well, time to go to the next destination. So, here I am in Boston, Massachusetts to see Miss Old Ironside. Did you know that Miss Old Ironside fought pirates and was never defeated? It's true and surprising. Also, did you know that one ship tried to hit her hull with a cannonball but it bounced off? Wow, that's amazing. She is made out of wood and she is strong as iron. She has a black and white paint and she is 3-layered boat. It symbolizes the successful U.S. Navy. It is located in Charlestown Navy Yard. The unsinkable ship was built in 1794 and sailed in 1798, so it took 4 years to build the boat. The person who made the ship was Paul Revere. Also, her real name is the USS Constitution. Today, people walk on the USS Constitution to research and look around. Let's go to the next destination. So here we are in Washington, D.C. by the White House. Did you know that the White House has 132 rooms, 35 bathrooms, 6 levels to accommodate all the people who live in it, work in it, and visit it? There are also 412 doors, 147 windows, 28 fireplaces, 88 staircases, and 3 elevators. Wow, that's a big house. Also, in 1792, they made the White House out of house, but George Washington never lived in it. Also, did you know that the White House is the biggest house in the United States until the Civil War? Wow, that's very interesting. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stay tuned.